Hello students, now we'll solve the remaining parts of question number 5 of exercise 1.3, means the fifth and sixth part. Now, the first one, as I told you, we can write this like 625 multiplied with minus 35. And here it is minus 625, so we can write it as 625 multiplied with minus 1 multiplied with 65. Now as I told you, we can take 625 as common. So 625 as common. Then inside the bracket there remains minus 35 plus sign as it is, and minus 1 multiplied with 65 will remain inside the bracket. Because when we multiply 625, it should give us 625 multiplied with minus 35 plus 625 multiplied with minus 1 multiplied with 65. So now we'll solve inside the bracket. That will be minus 35 plus and minus is minus 65, and there remains 625. Now minus and minus gives us plus, but the sign remains minus and it will give us minus 100 multiplied with 625. So 625 double zero and sign is negative because plus minus is minus. So 625 double zero. Now sixth part. In this sixth part, we won't be writing it as 48 because the question made us simple, because we know that 7 multiplied with 5 is 35 and 7 multiplied with 2 is 14. But we don't know 48 multiplied with 7. So as I told you, first of all we'll multiply this term with this term, and then we'll multiply this term with this term because it is acting as common. So we'll write it as 7 multiplied with 50. Then minus sign remains as it is because it is plus 7, and 2 multiplied with 7. So we all know that it will be 350 and it will be minus 14. So our answer will be 336. These are the methods how you can solve this type of questions. Thank you.